All right. Howdy doody. How are you doing? I hope you are ready to work out. All you need today are some shoes on, no weights needed for this Rev Your Engine. Remember, Rev Your Engine is going to be a cross training workout. It's a cardio as well as a strength training workout. The two combined make it cross training. All right. We're doing a lot of lymphatic hops. Remember, you want to raise your heels off the ground. And if you get a little bit of air between the ball of the foot and the ground, that is also welcomed. But make sure it's within your range. All right. We have a lower body round, right leg. We have a lower body round, left leg. We have an upper body round. And then we have a lower body round. How many is that? 29,468,000. That's exactly what I was saying. All right. It's a silent training day, so if you need some music on your end, go right ahead for it. Set it up. Play it as loud as your neighbors will allow you. I've got the clock all set up. If you've got a heart rate monitor, please pick something like cross training. And if you're on your knees like me, stand it up. And let's get going. I want you to just start with a nice, easy march. I'm trying to select my workout. Nice, easy march, forward and back. And let's get this chair out of the way so that I don't, break my neck. Nice, easy march. So I just want you to start like kind of swinging the legs, moving the hips, the usual. So the first two rounds are going to be right leg, then left leg. So you're going to get it. It's a total body workout. And we're going to be doing stuff on the ground for upper body, which is why we don't need weights. Okay, really good for upper body joints when we get on the floor. Good for all joints, but particularly upper body joints, like joints like the wrist. Yeah. All right, find yourself somewhere in the middle. Give me a nice big inhale. And exhale, swing the hips left to right. Big inhale. And exhale, one more time. Lift the ribs away from the hips. And exhale, beautiful job. Alternate knee into chest. We're going to do some dynamic stretching. Beautiful. Ooh, make sure you grab that shin. Alternate heel to the butt. So the opposite. Both hands go back at your own pace. Wow, I nearly didn't get that right foot there. That right foot wanted to do something of it by itself. Those things happen. Don't worry. Just do the best that you can. Remember, accommodate as you need. Open your legs nice and wide. Give me a nice big hip circle. Other direction. All right, 1 minute march. Now this time, I want you to slow it down and increase range of motion. So the hands go all the way up as straight as they can, as high as they can above the head. And your knees need to come higher than the hips. Drive that knee up. So notice where my hips are. Notice where the knee is coming. So as big a movement with that knee as you can handle. Reach. Want to make it harder? You're feeling really good, really rested. You can do both hands at the same time. Up to you. That's not for me this morning. That's okay. Options, okay? Options. Beautiful. Reach, reach. Give me a little bit more like oomph. That's it. Drive those knees up. I see they're dropping. Come on. Nearly there. Less than 10 seconds. Beautiful job. Shake it out. Give me a nice big inhale. Swing the hips. Exhale. Again. One more time. Good. Slide the hands north of the knees. Standing cat-cow. So you really want to include the hips as well as the head in this movement. And roll it up to standing. Roll those shoulders up and back. And reverse it. Nice job, chain breakers. So any little movement with the foot, notice how the elbows are staying up at shoulder height. I'm alternating which hand goes on top. And now I want the focus to be when you squeeze it in. Make the focus squeezing it in. Now make the focus pulling it apart. Same movement, different emphasis. Beautiful job. Shake it out. Give me a nice, like almost like you're beginning to run. Like a little hustle. Almost. Like that taxi. Come on. 20 seconds. Move those arms. So bend those elbows. Bring those hands up. Don't let them hang down. Okay, that makes a slightly different focus. Gets the heart working just a little bit harder because the hands are higher up. Nearly there. 5 seconds. 3, 2, shake it up. Pay attention to yourself now. What do you need? What is the body saying for you to do? And do it. 1 minute for the workout to begin. I know it. I'm acting like that was like we just didn't do anything there, but you know what I'm saying. Maybe you do a lower back release. Maybe you got to shake those legs out a little bit more. All right. Lower body round 1. So we're going to be doing lymphatic hops, crisscross lunges, squats, lymphatic hops. All right. That's round 1. And we're going to do that 3 times. Same right leg. Make sure you got some room. All right, less than 10 seconds. Come back to me. So I'm going to show you from the side the lymphatic hop. Here we go. 1 minute. So you can just lift and lower those heels. I'd like you to bring those hands up so that they're bent but loose. And if you'd like to get a little bit more air, you can. So lymphatic hop. So it's a hop. I'd like you to do both legs at the same time. But if that is too much, let's say you're feeling some strain, you can shift your weight side to side, and that can ease the strain or tension or pressure in the body. All right, up to you. Play around with it. Hands up. Yes. Beautiful job. That's already 45 seconds, 15 seconds left. In 3, in 2, in 1. Beautiful. Step forward. That right leg's going back. Set up for the lunge. Crisscross 10 of them. 3, 2, 1. 10. The lower you go, the harder. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Hands off the legs. 3, 2. Give me 1 more. There and back. Stand tall. Squats. 3, 2, 1. Hip width, no turn out. 10, 9. Now really squeeze the glutes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me 1 more. 1. Lymphatic hops, 1 minute. Where are your hands? The higher up you hold them, the harder it is on the heart. All right, now why we want that challenge. The stronger the heart is, the better. So the heart muscle is a muscle that constantly works for our entire life. The cells themselves get replaced, but not as quickly as, let's say, skin cells. Skin cells get replaced, I think, quite frequently. like within a month, all your skin cells are replaced. Red blood cells, 3 months. Every 3 months, they're kind of replaced. But the heart's a little bit longer. Nearly there. 10 more seconds. Same thing, same leg. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Right leg back. Crisscross lunge. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. Lower. 7. As low as you can. 6. Side to side. 5. Cross the midline. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand tall, legs hip width, no turnout, squats. 10. Squeeze the glutes on the way up. 9, 8. Hands off the legs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You're looking good. 2. Give me one more. 1. Lymphatic hops, 1 minute. Last time. Oh, wonderful. Remember, you can just lift the heels, or you can get some air with the ball of foot, or you can make that a little bigger. Notice my legs are kind of bent, so I'm not straight. That's it, and my hands are up. Third and final time on the right leg. And then you got a little bit minute break. We have about less than 10 seconds. Give yourself some room. Make sure you're stepping back with that right leg. 3, 2, 1. Right leg, let's go. Step back. Crisscross lunge. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7. Cross the midline. 6. Look at that back leg. 5, 4. Lower. 3. Don't straighten that front leg. 2. 1 more. Come all the way up. No turnout. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. As low as you can. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me one more. Lymphatic hops, 1 minute, then your break. Fabulous. Fabulous. Oh. Now you know the break's around the corner. I want you to push yourself here a little bit. Make the hop a little bit bigger, more, or a little faster, or both of those things. Don't be afraid to make some noise with your feet on the ground. Really good for the joint. Joint with a lot of bones, ankles. Really good for the ankles. Really good for the feet. 15 more seconds. Come on. 10. I see that first break. Where is it? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Nice. White drink. Oh. Super duper. Okay. Round 2, same thing, but this time the left leg goes back, okay? Wow, well done. Well done, well done, well done. All right. Got a little sweat on, but the heart rate's not too crazy high. All right. So we work the heart at different levels. So like a really high intensity, like when we do a kick your butt. A low intensity when we only do weight training. All right, but a mid, so we're kind of aiming for that today. Come back to me, 10 more seconds. Round 2, left leg, same thing. In 3, 2, 1, lymphatic hops. Nice job, excellent start. Now, this time, let's try and see if we can kind of spin around. How do I look from the back end? And then when you've done that, maybe can you spin around in the other direction? Maybe. So remember, I'd like you to do both feet at the same time. But if that's too much, you can shift the weight. Keep a bend in the knee. All right. Move forward so you got some room behind you. Remember, this time it's the left leg that's going back. We have 10 more seconds here. I'm going to do this 3 times on the left leg. In 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Step the left leg back. Crisscross lunge. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 10, 9, 8. Front leg stays bent. 7. Cross the midline with the back leg. 6, 5. The lower you are, the harder it is. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand tall, no turnout, squats. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9. Okay, watch what I'm doing. I'm not doing this. 8, no, watch. 7, 6, butt back and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, butt back and down. 1. Good job, lymphatic hops. Yes. Come on. That's 1. 2 more to go. All right, this time, hop forward and back. That's it. Come on, hop forward and back. That intention matters. There is a slight shift of weight in the foot to hop forward and back. 10 seconds, so come forward and then stay forward. 5 seconds, same left leg. 3, 2, 1. Set it up. Left leg goes back. Crisscross lunge. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9. Cross the midline. 8. Look at that leg. 7. Bend the knee as much as you can. 6, 5, 4. Right leg's not moving. 3, 2. Give me 1 more. Stand tall. Squats. 3, 2, 1. No turn out. 10, 9. Butt down and back. 8. Keep the chest up. 7. We're not bending forward. 6. We're squatting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lymphatic hops. 1 minute. 1 more time. Oh, I know. Good news. Good news. No lymphatic hops in the next round. Come on. That's it. You got this. Play around with it. Find yourself. Find your challenge. Find where your body's at. Less than 30 seconds to go. This is also really good for lower body, like knee down, calf, as well as the tibialis. So calf is in the back, tibialis is in the front. 3, 2, 1. Left leg back. Crisscross lunge last time. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stand tall, squat. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7. As deep as you can. Butt down, chest up. That's 5, 4, 3, 2. Excellent job. 1. Lymphatic hops. 1 minute. Come on. It's end of round 2. Get a minute break. Now, you know you're getting the minute break? Challenge yourself here. So I'm going to try and hop a little higher for me. Maybe you also just want to do it faster. Or maybe you can do both. A bigger hop as well as a faster hop. Challenge yourself here. Notice how my knees, there's a slight bend. I'm trying to make sure that my heels touch the ground each time. 20 seconds. Less than 15. Three, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, that's round 3 is all upper body. No lymphatic hops. So I think that gives us about 8 minutes of lymphatic hops. We revisit it again, okay, in round 4. But round 3 we don't. So round 3, the focus is upper body. We have about 25 seconds. Take a sip. Okay. Back it up for me, please, so that you've got all the room in front of you. We're going to do an inchworm to plank. Come back. Round 3 in 3, 2, 1. All right, so inchworm to plank. Remember, you can place your knees on the ground if you need. 30-second hold in plank. We've started. That's it. So everybody's on their hands, but you pick knees or toes, up to you. Spread your shoulder blades, please. We're dropping to the knee. Well, actually, stay here if you'd like. 10 shoulder taps. Let's go. 10, 9. Try not to twist. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's it. 2. 1 more each side. Good job. If you want to drop to your knees for triceps, go ahead. Tricep push-ups, 10 of them. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Elbows go back and close. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All the way down. Lay your front body. All right, so we're going to lift the hands up. CrossFit push-up. Let's go. 10. All the way down, lift the hands. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All the way flat, all the way up. 4. Lift those hands off the ground. 3, 2. You can stay on the knees if you'd like. And 1. Good job. Lay it flat on the ground. Lift the hands off the ground. Lift your chest. 30-second hold. Back hold. Toes are touching the ground. Come on. Lift it up. 30 seconds. Hands are off the ground. Less than 10. Good job. Push up into plank. Walk it back into inchworm. Stand it up. 1 minute break. Wipe, drink. We're going to do that again 2 more times. So you're on your knees or your toes, depending on how you feel this morning, how much you want to challenge yourself. Okay? Up to you. Remember with the inchworm, you can come down onto the knees and then walk your hands out into plank. Don't have to keep the legs straight. Again, don't avoid an exercise, accommodate. Do whatever you need to do that looks as close to the exercise as you possibly can. All right, guys, 15 seconds. Back it up for me, please. We start from the standing position. In 5, 4, 3, 2, inchworm to plank. Let's go. If you want to stay on your toes, you can. 30-second hold for plank right here. Spread the shoulder blades. So this is some core work as well as upper body. Pull the belly button in. We have less than 10 seconds here. You can always come down to your knees if you'd like. Shoulder taps if you can. Here we go. 10, 9, try not to twist. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more each side. 1. Good. Drop to your knees if you'd like. Tricep push-ups. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, down and up. 5, 4, elbows go back and close to the body. 3, 2, and 1. All the way down and up. Good. Drop all the way flat. CrossFit push-up. Hands need to come up off the ground. Then push yourself up. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8. Hands are wide. 7, 6. Can stay on the knees if you'd like. 5. Come on. 4. Oh. 3. You have 2 more. 2. 1 more. 1. All the way up. All the way down. Lay it flat. Lift the hands. Lift the back. 30-second hold. Toes are on the ground. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Push yourself up into plank. Walk your hands to your feet. Bend your knees if you need to. Stand it up. 1 minute break. Oh, one more time. Body weight, upper body is never easy. especially when we stack all those exercises on each other. Wipe, drink. This is the last time. All right, 30 seconds. Ooh. Are you feeling it too? Yeah. Doesn't it feel good to be alive? You can curse me later. All right, 10 seconds, so back it up. Third and final round for 3. We're doing 3 sets of each round. In 3, 2, 1, inchworm into plank. Bend your knees if you need to. Come to your knees if you need to. Hold it here, 30-second hold. Spread the shoulder blades apart. Push the ground away with the hands. Pull the belly button up into the spine. On your knees or your toes. 10 seconds left here. You might want to take your feet a little wider, especially if you feel like you've been twisting in the shoulder tap. Here we go, 10 on each side, shoulder tap. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep the wrists under the shoulders. 5, 4. Hands are shoulder width apart when you put them on ground. 3, 2 more each side. 1 more each side. Drop to your knees if you need to. Tricep push-ups. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All the way down, all the way up. 5. Elbows go back and close to the body. 4, 3, 2. Give me 1 more. 1. Lay it flat on the ground. Lift your hands up. Now they go wide. Push up, CrossFit push up. Let's go. 10. All the way down. 9. Lay it flat. Lift the hands up. 8. 7. 6. Stay on your knees if you need to. 5. Accommodate. 4. Hands are wide. 3. Come on. 2. This is your last CrossFit push-up. 1. All the way up. All the way down. Lay it flat. Lift the hands off the ground. Lift the chest. 30-second hold. Come on. Oh, hard. Come on. Nearly there. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Push it up into plank. Walk it back into inchworm. Stand it up. 1 minute break. All right. We're heading into round 4. We have 3 sets of round 4 and we are done. Oh. Round 4 is lower body. You got this. Each round is going to begin and end with a lymphatic hop. Okay. So I said 8. I think we've done 6 lymphatic hops, right? No. Was it? Is it? Yes. So 6 and 6, 12. Oh, I can't even think straight. All right, come back to me in 3, 2, 1, 1 minute lymphatic hop. Round 4, final round, 3 sets. So 3 times. Now, we're at a point in the workout where you're tired. Your arms are probably feeling heavy. Mine are. Okay? Maybe your legs are feeling a little bit blah, blah, blah. Yeah? That's tired. That's what you're feeling there. Okay, so this round is all about, like, you know, just being a little bit uncomfortable, but showing ourselves that we can do it. Less than 15 seconds. This is a sumo squat round. Okay? So your legs are going to go wide and your feet are going to turn out. In 3, in 2, in 1. Set up for sumo. Legs wide, toes turn out. Sumo squats, let's go. 10 of them. 10. Bend the knees. 9. The knees track towards the toes. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. All right. 1. Down and hold 30 seconds. It's an isometric exercise. So the muscle is contracted and we're holding it in that position. Okay, we're nearly there. We have 1 exercise and then lymphatic hops to finish off that first set. And pulse for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, lower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Lymphatic hops, 1 minute. Round 1. Set 1, I should say. This is round 4. 2 more times. Come on. That's it. Just past the 30-second mark, 30 seconds to go. Set number 2. Ten seconds. No break, heading straight into that sumo. 3, 2, 1. Set it up safely. Legs wide, toes turn out. Sumo squats in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, all the way down and up. 9, chest up. 8, bend the knees. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, give me 1. Down and hold 30 seconds. Now, keep your chest up, belly in. Try and get the knee, hip, knee in a straight line across. Hands off the legs. 10 seconds to go. I'm going to hold it at the bottom and pulse. 4, 3, 2, pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Lymphatic hops, 1 minute. One more time. This is the beginning of set 3 for round 4. Okay, I think I worked it out. 8 was right. So round 1 on the right leg, we did 4 minutes lymphatic hops. Round 2 on the left leg, 4 minutes lymphatic hops. And this round, round 4, we're doing 4 minutes lymphatic hops. Gives us 12 minutes of cardio. All right. We're going to hit it tomorrow with some more cardio, but only cardio. In 3, in 2, in 1. Set up those legs for sumo. Wide. Turn the toes out. 10 squats. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10. All the way down and up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You're with me. 4. You did a fantastic job today. 2 more. 1 more. Down and hold. 30 seconds. Line it up. It's like goddess pose in yoga. Goddess because works that groin, that's sacral region. Yeah. Come on. Nearly there. 5 seconds to go. Beautiful job. Pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up. 1 minute lymphatic hops. We are done the workout. Now, you know this is your last minute. Push yourself. Maybe you can do a slightly bigger hop. Maybe you can do the hops a little faster. Maybe you can do both together. Come on. Come on. "30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. Come on. 15 seconds to go. Can you make that hop a little bigger? 5. And rest. Beautiful. Wipe, drink. All right. So that brings us to about 41 minutes. We had a 5-minute warm up. All right. So that's about a 36-minute workout. We're going to cool it down and we're done. Good job. Well done. How's your heart rate? Maybe a little higher each time. As you get more tired, that happens. Okay, that's your minute. Come back to me. Let's cool it down. Side tap. I'm so proud of you. All right, well done. Probably the hardest mental hurdle is actually getting the clothes up and putting them on. Yeah, my secret to that is I lay it out before I go to bed, and that's what I have to put on when I get up. So it's like, yeah, I don't want to rummage and get anything else. So it's like, I got to put on the workout clothes, right? But you're doing a fantastic job. Your commitment and your consistency is impressive. These are the things, right? Sleeping enough, drinking enough water, and getting enough exercise in. So exercise most days, movement every day. All right. Okay. Give me a heel tap. Give me a little toe tap. Nice job. Stand nice and tall. Roll those shoulders up and back. 3 big rolls. Really think about the chest opening, squeezing the shoulder blades. And now reverse the movement. 3 big rolls. Oh, well done. Good. Give me a big inhale. Grab your right wrist, lean it over to the left. Static hold. So nice static stretch and reach. Exhale, stand tall, grab the left over to the other side. Good, stand tall, cactus arms. Lift the chin, drop the head back. Look at me, put your head in neutral, open your hands nice and wide. Round and release the back. Excellent job. Right hand, give me a nice bicep. Tricep. Lat. Stand tall, again, cactus. Lift the chin, drop the head back. Put your head back in neutral, open it out. Good, left hand, bicep. Tricep. Lat. Cactus. Lift the chin, drop the head back. Head in neutral, open the hands. Round and release. Excellent job. Shake it out. All right, let's go to the legs. Place all your weight onto your right leg for me. Grab your left foot behind you. Both hands grab that foot. Pull the knee in so your body's in alignment. Stand nice and tall. If you lose your balance, you're coming right back in. Knees together. All right, now you're going to bend your standing leg and you're going to take your left knee back, but you're going to keep it in. As much as you can lean forward on it. Keep that knee in. Good. All the way in the front hamstring. Both hands reach down for the foot. Back flat, chest up. Lift your chin. Bend your toes. Pull on that foot. Big step back, calf stretch. A little bit bigger. Perfect. Open your legs wide. Release to the left. One more. Woo! Get that Nutella out of the jaw. All the weight on the left leg. Both hands back. Grab that right foot. Pull your knees together. Stand tall. If you're struggling with balance, don't look at me. Look at the ground. Anywhere from like 2 foot around there, 1 to 2 feet on the ground in front of you. That's going to help you with balance. All right, we're going to bend that standing knee. Going to take that right knee back, but you want to keep it in. Don't let the knee come out. Keep it in. Bend. Look at the ground. Come as far forward as you can. Stand tall. Leg comes out in front. Hamstring, both hands reach down. Square the hips. Bend those toes. Pull that foot towards the chest. Big step back. A little bit bigger. Nice job. All right, stand tall. Release that mid to lower back. Let the hands swing. So we use some momentum here to let the shoulder girdle kind of twist a little bit more. All right. What I'd like you to do now is like try and get the hand to come up and hit that shoulder. It's really good. Again, that's good for lymphatics. Good. Shake it out. Here we go. Give me a nice big inhale. Exhale. Shake it out. Big inhale. Stand nice and tall. Exhale. Bend the knees. Touch the ground. Last big inhale. Look at the hands as they touch above the head. Prayer arms down through the center. Place those hands against the heart of the mat. That's your breath, the engine. All right. That was our April workout. We only got to do it once in April, so we are hitting it this week 3 times. We're doing it 3 times this week. Be there or be square. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Be good to yourself. Say good things to yourself. Thank you. Bye.